Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This matters because AirPlay streams over your local network. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID on iPhone and Apple TV. This avoids authentication prompts and enables home control. Once done, unlock your iPhone and swipe to open Control Center, tap screen mirroring or the AirPlay icon. That first tap initiates device discovery, so wait a moment while your Apple TV appears in the list before you select it. After you select Apple TV from AirPlay, watch for confirmation prompt on the TV. That pairing confirms secure streaming. Next, open the app or video you want, Photos, YouTube, or Safari, and tap the in-app AirPlay icon if available. That links playback controls to your iPhone. You can control volume, pause, and seek from your phone, which is convenient, while the TV remote controls system volume. Also, if you mirror the screen, rotate your iPhone to switch orientation on the TV. To finish, end mirroring from Control Center or press menu on the Apple TV remote. This cleanly closes the connection and frees resources. If you notice audio lag, stutter, or dropouts, move both devices closer to the router and prefer a 5 GHz network for reduced interference. This improves latency and video quality. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if the Apple TV doesn't appear, sign out and back into your Apple ID on one device, or toggle Wi-Fi to refresh discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.